Today in the shop, we're going to take a quick look at a brand new 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness. No two cars are the same, and I really want to talk about this because a lot of times we think when we purchase a vehicle new from the dealership that it is free of defects and the vehicle doesn't need any type of protection. Unlike the Duramax that we did in the last video, that Duramax was really hammered and that was a multi-step paint correction. This is probably the most flawless paint I've ever seen on a new car. Because of that, we really only needed to do our level 1 ceramic coating package where we just polish the paint to really ramp up that gloss on the paint, and then we lock that in with a premium ceramic coating. Most of the time as detailers, we are skeptical about the condition of paint when it comes from the dealership, but after really close inspection, this vehicle was as close to flawless as I've seen on a new car paint in a long time. I really preach installing ceramic coatings at the time the vehicle is new. It makes it easier for the ceramic coating installer, in this case myself, and it also makes it easier for you, the new vehicle owner, to enjoy the ease of cleaning your vehicle for years to come. Please do me a favor, click that like and subscribe button. Help me on my quest to reach 1,000 followers. I would really appreciate it. Additionally, if you guys have any questions or comments or videos that you would like to see in the future, leave them in the section below, and we'll see you on the next video.